Good. Here you go. Brace it for him. Okay. Bring it down. Bring it down. Pull it up. Reel it down.
Something hit my
Back
corner.
up. There you go. Just like that. Perfect. I got you. There you go. There you go.
Is that David?
Mm-hmm.
David got the fish way over there?
Yeah.
Here he comes. Hey, gonna walk down this way, son? Walk on down this way.
Wow.
Keep on reeling it in.
Wow. There's that big one over there.
Was that fun?
Yeah, although for such a little fish, that's really heavy.
Yeah. That is a heavy fish though. It looks little, but they're
You
heavy.
just took my damn hook too. You can't have that, buddy. Give me your hook back. Thank you. Alright, you ready to take a picture with your fish?
So you can put your hand in the mouth like we always do, or you can, but be careful, there's a spike up top right here. That's a
First
spike.
thing you gotta do, put your thumb on the bottom right there. It's gonna scratch a little bit, that's the way the teeth are. Put your thumb under back behind the teeth. Yep. Perfect, there you go.
Nice, good job. Is that the same exact one you guys caught?
Let me see. Yep, that is another. No, that one is actually a channel catfish.
Ah, there's a difference. Wow.
Yep, see how this one doesn't have any of those ridges? On the
Right.
finger? Yep.
That's a channel, okay.
It's about an average sized channel catfish there.
Yeah, I've caught them that size. That head's definitely wider,
Oh,
but
yeah.
I've caught them.
Definitely got a big head to it. Y'all keeping fish?
Sure. Thank
Here's
you.
y'all's fish.
Yes, we do have a bucket. Perfect.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.